Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MOTOROLA Moto G77 and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So let's start with localizing the app that is causing you different problems, then tap on it and hold it, and tap on this info icon. So the first thing I highly recommend to do is to remove cache. Cache are junk files, maybe not junk, but they are files that are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, if that kind of file is corrupted, then it might cause different problems. So let's go to storage and cache, localize cache, and tap on clear cache option. As you can see, your device will immediately remove it. You can try to open the app right now, but I don't really think that it will fix the issue completely. So what I also recommend to do is to tap on force stop, which is right here. And basically, if the app is opened in the background, even though that you cannot see it in recent, then it might have some problems with proper reopening. So forcefully stop it, tap on OK. Your device will simply cut all of the processes that are ongoing in the background. And now you can try to open the app. And fortunately, this option will fix most of the issues. However, sometimes you will, even though you will remove cache and forcefully stop it, your device will still have a problem to open the app. And in that case, I highly recommend to check for the updates, because sometimes if you've got newer app version, the older one will not work. So to do that, we have to open the Play Store. And just a quick disclaimer, it will work for the apps that were installed either by the developer or you, but if you've got some kind of apps that are pre-installed by the developer and they are not installed from the Play Store, sorry, you will simply have to wait for the system update, which I will show you later on. So let's go to the Play Store. Here, let's go to search and enter the name of the app that you'd like to update. Find it, and if the update is available, your device will show it to you. So as you can see, we've got this update icon. So I highly recommend to simply tap on it, download the newest app version, and your device will automatically apply it. However, I mean, in this way, this solution should work in 99% of cases. However, sometimes it will not fix the issue, and it is because that if your device will download newer version and overwrite it over the older one, then some files might be corrupted or damaged. And in that case, I highly recommend to come back to this section here, tap on the Google Chrome or any other app, of course, this is only the example, and then tap on uninstall. I highly recommend to uninstall the app, and after that, install it again. It works because your device will directly install the newest app version without this overwriting thing, and thanks to it, it will fix the damaged files. And as a last resort, as I said before, I also highly recommend to check for the system updates, because if you've got newer app versions and the older system, there might be some problems. So just go to the settings. Right here, we have to scroll down and find system updates and tap on check for updates. Let your device check for the updates, and if it will find anything, I highly recommend to tap on download or install and apply the update, not only to fix the issue with the app, but also for your own security. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.